Hello, y'all. Fox here, but feeling a bit tired today. But anyways, I was in Edenton, North Carolina today, and I got a couple of things here. What do we have? First Alert SMI100, SA303, and a First Alert or Familygard, I should say, FG200. So I'm gonna open these. Let's start with the FG200. Start with the most boring one. So it should be pretty easy. I opened it up while I was in Edenton to look at it. But that doesn't really count. Got it. So here's the alarm. Alright. Anchors and screws. Manual. Please see manual. 2023 August 17th. That's actually really new. I'd expect this to be made in like 2022. And sometime earlier. Let me get this cord pull tab out. There we go. Got it. Now test it. Sounds like your average FG200 series alarm. Anyways, continuing. This is with the SA303. We're gonna save the newest one for last. So I'm gonna open this up. So this will take a bit longer. So I'll be right back. All right, alarm number 2. Similar mounting hardware. I think it's in the compartment. Nope. So I don't know where the mounting hardware is. I think it's somewhere. Manual, please see manual. Battery, actually the same battery the FG200 has. So, let's see if I can get this battery in. There we go. This was fun facts about this alarm. Let me check Jesus! September 14th! So anyways, I actually had my first alarm I ever got at Walmart. In fact, the first alert alarm I got as well was the First Alert SA303. Here we go. Again, sounds pretty much like your stereotypical SA300 or Familygard. Now for the last one. This is the one I'm most excited for. SMI100. There is actually a motorhome variant too. Alright. Everything just came tumbling out. Alright, alarm. Mounting hardware again. Manual. Please see manual. So this one, the battery's already in there. Come on. I have to pull the tab out and take the battery out to pull the tab out. Okay. This should test the same as my SMI100 AC. Yep. 2024, April 17th. So this is actually younger. This is literally almost the exact same age as my SMI100 AC. Surprisingly, it does not have an installed on date on it. So anyways, hopefully y'all like this slightly longer video. Bye.